Hola loves, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I lay down my V-part wigs. But first of all, I have to say this is the easiest and probably the most beginner friendly type of wig I've ever tried, because if you read the title, like the title says, these wigs have no lace and you do not need any kind of glue or gel to install it. And that to me, that's amazing. Isn't that great? Anyways, I started by prepping my natural hair. I just recently washed it, so I slightly blow dried it so it's easier for me to braid it. And then I went ahead and I part my hair to separate my leave out from the part of the hair I'm going to braid. Done taking out the amount of hair I wanted to leave as my leave out, I went ahead and I braided my hair off camera because it takes forever and I just wasn't gonna do all of that on camera. But I have to say that braiding your hair for a V-part is completely optional. However, my hair is super thick and I like my hair to stay as flat as possible, so I had to braid my hair. The unit I am installing today is from Unice hair. This hair comes with 5 clips on the V part of the wig, has 2 on each side of the V and then 1 on the center of the V, and then it has like 3 comb style kind of clips, 1 on each side of the wig and the back. This hair, as you guys can see, it's very, and I repeat, very easy to install. All you literally need to do is put the wig in place and adjust the clips. Like, that's all you have to do. There's no more explanation. You can literally see the video and it's self-explanatory. You can see what I'm doing. The clips are there to help the wig so it doesn't move around and it's secure. After I'm done installing the wig, I went ahead and I flat ironed my hair. This step completely depends on the texture of the V-part wig that you're using, but because this beautiful unit that I have is a body wave, I personally wanted to make sure my hair, my natural hair, matches as much as possible the texture of the wig. So I went ahead and I did a little flat ironing situation. I made sure to protect my natural hair with some leave-in conditioner before flat ironing, and also I applied heat protectant to avoid any kind of damage. I also used some hairspray to keep the little flyaway hairs in place. And I used some wax stick, but not too much on my hair because those hair were not staying flat no matter what. I finished up by spraying some shine spray that it works well for me. It's for when I flat iron my hair. It gives it a very light shine, a very natural shine to the hair. And honestly, that's all you have to do to successfully install a V-part wig. I love the results, and this is actually my first V-part wig. I love the hair. The hair is super soft, it's true to length, and it actually reminds me a lot of a sew-in install. Definitely a good option for beginners and for those that want to take a break from wearing lace fronts and closures and all that extra stuff. Unice Hair has a variety of V-part wigs with different textures to suit all of y'all preferences. I added all the links that I consider important to the description box, so make sure to check it out before leaving. Also, make sure to comment and like my video if you found it even a little helpful. Turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload my next video. Check out my social media accounts. Muchísimos besitos. Bye.
If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? 'Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closure, but you're pulling me closer and closer.